Hello, I'm Alana Makowski, and this is my Pythagorean theorem project. Okay, so if I'm throwing hay for my horses, I don't want it to be too close, but I don't want it to be too far. So I'll put this one right here, and that's the start. Then, 10 feet away, I'll put this one. And then 15 feet away, I'll put this one. But then how far away is A to B? Do I have enough space in the middle to put another hay thing? They like the hay.
Okay, so if this is the start of it, that's where I dropped the first piece of hay. That is 10 feet there, so we'll label that 10. And then here, I dropped the second piece of hay, so that's the corner. And then that, I dropped the last piece of hay right there, and that was 15 feet. So now I need to figure out what this part here is. And I need to know if I have enough space to put another hay flake in the middle without it being too close. 10 squared plus 15 squared, and that equals c squared. And then c squared equals, and then we go to our calculator, and we do 10 squared plus 15 squared, and that equals 325. 325. And then we have to find the square root of 325. So then the square root is 18 feet. So that is 18 feet. So C equals 18. And that is our answer.
Okay, so if this is my hypotenuse and it is 16 feet long, and this over here is A and it is 11 feet long, and I want to put another gate right here, how long would that gate be?
So for my gate one, this is my triangle. So this is the part that I'm trying to figure out. So we'll put a question mark. That is the hypotenuse, which was 16, and then A was 11. So we'll figure out what 16 squared is, and then what 11 squared is. So 16 squared equals 256. 256. 11 squared equals 121. Then we'll subtract those, and that would equal, that equals 135. Then we find the square root of 135, and that equals 11.6189, and we will round that to 11.6, and that equals C. That equals B. B.
Okay, so if I walk my pony 10 feet this way, which is A, and then 12 feet this way, which is B, then how far away am I from my original destination, which is over there?
Okay, so if I'm walking my pony in a triangle, and I want to find the hypotenuse. So A was 10, B was 12, and I don't know how long it is from here to there. So you do 10 squared plus 12 squared, and we don't know what that equals, so it equals C squared. And then C squared equals, go to our calculator, 10 squared plus 12 squared equals 244. And then we have to find the square root of 244. And that will equal C, so C equals, and then we go back to the calculator and we type in square root of 244, and that is 15.62, so it'll round to 15.6. So therefore, from here to there, it'll be 15.6 feet to walk my pony back to where we started.
Okay, after doing the math, I figured out that it'll be 15.6 feet to walk back to my original destination, and that is the hypotenuse. Always remember that A squared plus B squared equals C squared. That is the Pythagorean theorem. Thanks for watching my video. Gilbert!